Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. By the way, why aren't you a premium member? You need to get in there, all right? That's my marketing pitch. If you're not a member, get in there. It's free for the first month. I promise you it's going to be worth it, and you're going to be making more than the cost of admission. That's a guarantee. So anyway, let's look at innovative industrial properties. This is a pot sector stock. They're the ones that buy the land. I look at them as like the back in the gold rush days when I was a young kid. The guys that made all the money were the hardware stores, the ones that were buying or that were selling the pickaxes and the gold pans and all that stuff, not the gold miners. And so, you know, I could go into my feelings about that on the public side with respect to competing against cartels with M16s and all that stuff. And I think that it's better to be in the land investing business than the pot growing business. And this seems to, it's got a dividend of almost 4%. And the cool thing on this was, this is actually on our growth stock list. On Thursday night, the company reported that they were going to be issuing a secondary offering. I think it was like 3 million shares. I forget, and it doesn't matter. Though you can take me to task for not knowing, and I'll say I don't work for you. I work for myself, and I'm just trying to make money. So the details are not important until they are, and they're not. So the share offering is down here, about $73 or something like that. And so you would think that the stock would gap down and keep going as everybody's going, oh crap, you know, they think their company's worth, their stock's worth $73. Well, it did gap down and almost immediately turned up. And so that to me indicated a buying opportunity, or in our case, an opportunity to add to your position. And I think this is another opportunity, like right here, right now. The stock traded at 85.17. It's closed right around 85. I think that tomorrow, if the stock runs up above 85.17, it's likely running and going to test 90, maybe a bit higher. And you could say, well, so you're giving me an idea for a 5% move in a stock? Damn straight I am. Yeah, I am. Once it gets up here, we don't know whether it's going to turn around or not, but I like the way that this stock has went under distribution, markdown phase, typical Wyckoff composite man stuff. Members, you know what I'm talking about. And then now it's been building the base, a higher base. See a rising line here? I think if this stock runs up and can break through the 200-day moving average, that's another opportunity to add. And the next thing you know, the stock's up at $100. And that's when you're going like, oh, Dan, you told me as a free chart idea to get in at 85. Now I'm up over 15%. Hey, do you think it can go higher? And I would say, hey, let's just get to $90 first, all right? So anyway, that's my deal for today. I hope it works for you. And stay away from anybody who's coughing and sniffling.